Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making these super easy fried pickles. So for this recipe you will need 1 egg, some flour, and some cornmeal. And of course you gotta have the pickles, and you want to start off by seasoning your dry, wet, and your cornmeal. As you can see, I added a little bit of hot sauce. You don't have to add the hot sauce. If you do, it won't be spicy. It just gives it a lot of flavor. And I don't know if I'm the only one, but I don't really care for pickles. But fried pickles, I will eat them all day. Comment below if you're the same way, or do you just think I'm crazy? And you want to make sure your pickles are nice and dry before you dip them in your flour, egg, and then cornmeal. That's the order we are going to go in: the flour, then the egg, and the cornmeal. And you want to make sure you pack that cornmeal in so it doesn't fall off when you fry it. And also you want to let your pickles rest for at least 5 minutes before you fry them. And this is all to frying pickles, really. You just repeat the process. It's kind of like frying chicken. You just batter it up and throw it in the fryer. So I went ahead and fried a few while I finished battering up the rest of the pickles. And this part is just, like I said earlier, frying chicken. Once they start floating, you know they're done. And this was my second batch of fried pickles. You can see they're nice and golden and ready to come out. Now all you gotta do is make you some homemade ranch, or you can use the Hidden Valley like I did. I just dressed it up with a little bit of dill on top so it could look fancy. And that's it. That's all. You can start eating your fried pickles, and they are fire, y'all, believe me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you in my next video.